Hello friends, welcome to Documen TV. The world is full of millions of fascinating and bizarre creatures, some of which have abilities that leave humans astonished. But today I will tell you about some of the most incredible invisible animals that very few people know about. So let's start the countdown. Don't forget to subscribe to Documen TV and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the most informative videos. Number 1. Mossy leaf-tailed gecko. Madagascar's forests are home to some of the rarest and strangest animals, and the mossy leaf-tailed gecko is one of the most unique. Unfortunately, ordinary people rarely get to see it because of its incredible camouflage skills. Its body resembles a piece of driftwood, and even if you touch its skin, you wouldn't realize it's an animal. When this gecko feels threatened, it freezes completely, making it nearly invisible to predators. It grows up to 20 centimeters long, and its eyes are similar to a cat's, allowing it to see well in the dark. With this hiding ability, it can easily hunt insects that mistake it for a tree branch. Number 2. Moss frog. You've probably seen moss-covered rocks and trees, but have you ever seen a moss-covered frog? This species is found in Vietnam, and at first glance it looks exactly like a mossy rock. Its skin is textured like real moss, making it almost impossible to detect. It often hides among forest plants, using its rough, uneven skin to stay perfectly camouflaged. These frogs are small, around 10 centimeters in size, and they mainly feed on insects. Their rare and unique appearance makes them one of the most extraordinary camouflaged animals in the world. Number 3. Pink-winged stick insect. The number 1 spot goes to the pink-winged stick insect, one of nature's most skilled camouflage experts. Its body resembles a twig, and when it stays still on a tree branch, it is almost impossible to see. Even if the wind moves the branches, the stick insect moves along with them, making it appear completely natural. When threatened, it remains completely still, sometimes for hours, pretending to be dead. These insects are found in Asia, Africa, and South America, and their ability to blend in with nature is truly astonishing. Number 4. Pygmy seahorse. The pygmy seahorse is one of the smallest and most elusive creatures in the ocean, measuring only 2 centimeters long. Found in Japan, Indonesia, and northern Australia, these tiny seahorses inhabit deep waters, ranging from 10 to 40 meters below the surface. What makes them truly extraordinary is their unmatched camouflage ability. They blend so perfectly with sea plants and corals that even scientists struggled to find them for years. In an astonishing experiment in 2014, researchers placed a purple sea plant in an aquarium with pygmy seahorses, and within seconds, these incredible creatures changed their color to match the plant, making them nearly invisible. Nature's ultimate masters of disguise, pygmy seahorses are a perfect example of how some animals survive by becoming one with their surroundings. This incredible camouflage not only ensures their protection from predators, but also significantly increases their chances of survival in the vast and dangerous ocean. Number 5. Octopi. Deep in the ocean, survival is extremely difficult for small sea creatures because larger animals easily prey on them. However, the octopi octopus has developed an unbelievable survival technique. Although it looks like a regular octopus, its entire body is transparent. When it senses danger, it activates its camouflage mode, blending seamlessly with the water. This ability has stunned scientists because it can change color instantly, becoming completely invisible. Interestingly, when it feels scared, it turns white, and when it gets angry, it turns completely red. Some biologists even believe that octopuses experience fear in their dreams, as their bodies change color even while they sleep. Number 6. Leptocephalus. When sea creatures hatch from eggs, their survival is nearly impossible because bigger fish and predators eat them instantly. However, the leptocephalus have an amazing natural survival strategy. As soon as they hatch from their eggs, their bodies become completely transparent, making them almost invisible to predators. They remain in this invisible state for several months until they are strong enough to protect themselves. What's even more fascinating is that their organs are also transparent, making them one of the most remarkable hidden creatures in the ocean. This incredible ability belongs to the leptocephalus, the transparent larval stage of eels. Their glass-like bodies allow them to drift through the ocean completely unnoticed, making them one of the hardest to spot creatures in the sea. For several months, they remain nearly invisible, avoiding predators while they grow and develop. As they mature, their bodies gradually gain color. Number 7. Leaf butterfly. You may have seen countless beautiful butterflies in your life, but have you ever seen an almost invisible butterfly? This species is so rare that very few people have ever spotted it. At first glance, it looks like a dry leaf that has fallen from a tree, but in reality, it's a uniquely adapted butterfly that blends perfectly with its environment. This species is found in Nepal, Bhutan, China, and Thailand. The upper side of its wings is colorful and attractive, but the underside looks exactly like a dry leaf, making it nearly impossible to detect. Number 8. Decorator crab. Also known as the spider decorator crab, this fascinating species is found in California, Thailand, the Philippines, the Maldives, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Since they are a favorite meal for many marine predators, they have developed an unbelievable survival mechanism to stay hidden. Their bodies are covered in tiny hair-like structures, which allow algae, sponges, and other sea plants to attach to them. Over time, these crabs take on the exact appearance of their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to both predators and prey. Number 9. Leaf insect. If you were asked to stand completely still like a statue, how long could you last? Probably not very long, but the leaf insect is a creature that can remain motionless for hours, making it a true master of disguise. At first glance, you might mistake it for a dry leaf, but in reality, this insect has evolved to look exactly like its surroundings. With its vein-like patterns, jagged edges, and even tiny brown spots, it blends so perfectly that even the sharpest-eyed predators struggle to detect it. Since many birds and wild animals love to eat these insects, their survival depends entirely on camouflage. The moment they sense danger, they freeze in place, mimicking a lifeless leaf swaying in the wind. What's even more astonishing is that this insect lacks hormones that trigger movement. Which one animal amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Documen TV. See you in the next video.